now to hear from the Connecticut Department of Transportation as well, who's encouraging everyone to stay home as this storm progresses throughout the state.
That's right. As most people know, a statewide travel ban for commercial vehicles is in effect right now.
So we are joined by Connecticut DOT's Eva Zamaris live this morning with more on the work being done. And Eva, really, we are seeing whiteout conditions in all of our cameras around the state. Are your crews even able to keep up with this? And good morning to you. It's great to see you, Eva.
Good morning, Laura and Keith. It's so good to see you both this morning. Thank you so much for having me on. So yes, those conditions out there, they are difficult. It's challenging with the wind blowing all of the snow, making that visibility very challenging. But our crews are truly the best of the best. They are keeping up this morning. They were called in yesterday afternoon around 3:30, 4 o'clock. We are out there in full force with 650 trucks, more than 900 drivers out there right now. We're also being supported by approximately 200 contractors. So they've been out through the night into this morning, but their work is only just beginning.
Eva, can you even begin to anticipate at this point when the major highways are going to be back open to commercial vehicles?
We can't yet. That ban, it's really important to remember that that is still in effect. So please keep that in mind. Again, that's for commercial vehicles, including tractor trailers. And why these bans too are so helpful and important to us is that it gives our crews the space and time they need to do their work. So please, if you do have to go out there today, we cannot emphasize this enough. Home is the safest place to be. But of course, we understand that there are essential employees who have to get to work today. So if you are heading out, please slow down. Give yourself plenty of time to get to where you need to go. And again, you're going to be seeing hundreds of our crews out and about all throughout the state. So do not crowd the plow. Give our crews the space and time they need to do their work. That's really important to remember. And also, if you are heading out today and you do need help, you just heard Alyssa talking about that. We emphasize people to just stay home because when our crews, the tow operators, police, first responders, if you need help, you're putting them at risk as well as they have to go respond to those scenes. So a lot to keep in mind this morning.
All right, Eva Zamaris with the Connecticut Department of Transportation. Great advice. Thank you so much again for joining us live this morning. I know your crews are so busy. Please pass along our thanks to them. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having me on. I appreciate it.
Great seeing you, Eva.